everyone, and I will show you the auto clicker that I usually use. Okay, just put in auto clicker, and then you'll go to this page. You see auto clicker download, sourceforce.net. Click there, link will be in the description. You hit download, then you have to wait 5 seconds. Your download will start shortly. Okay, then you click this right here, like arrow key, and then open when done, or open if it's done, and then it'll come to this. You see 100 milliseconds? I usually put it on 1, and then I put this on 10,000, and you can check, like, you can choose which one if you want left or right. I will be doing left, and then you go to hotkey setting. If you hit, you can press any key. I'll do number 1. And then go to CPS test. Then Kohi Click test. And then if you hit 1, and then the auto clicker starts. And yes, you will get about 50 CPS. 47.6 CPS. Wow. So that's how you use the auto clicker. Okay, thank you. Goodbye.